Here's a pair of the Sony earbuds, model number WF-C510. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Google TV streamer via Bluetooth. First thing is we need to go to the settings on your streamer. So just click on the home button, go to the home page, and then once you're here, we want to go to the gear icon. So go all the way up and then we keep moving to the right. The gear icon, it says all settings there, it's highlighted. Okay, that right there. Now in the left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories, right there. Okay on the remotes. Now, before we pair remote or accessory, let's go ahead and first put these into pairing mode. You'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, 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 okay? So make sure the buds are in. Let me open the case up, and I don't get a blue, blue here, so what I'm going to do is hold the button back here to put it in the pairing mode. Okay, so the button's right here. I'm going to press and hold, ready, go. Just keep holding like 6 seconds or so. Just wait till it blinks blue, blue. I'm still holding here. Blue, 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 blue. So I'm going to click pair remote or accessory. It is in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, blue. And see if it finds it, and it did. WF-C510 right there. Let's go ahead and select that. It says pairing. We should get a Bluetooth request here. All right, pairing request. Make sure it pairs highlighted. Click on OK. It just said paired. It says connected down there. And you can see right now, you can see that we're connected there. And I have a battery level of 100% on these. Okay, so we're paired, ready to go. Now, if you had issues, any pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.